A body weight 200 Newton on the surface of Earth. How much it will weight halfway down the center of Earth? So the weight of an object on the surface of Earth is given as nothing but we can write weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, and which is acceleration due to gravity on the surface. I am just writing it as g0. So it is going to be 200. How much it will weight halfway down the center of Earth? So we are going to find out the value of weight at a distance d, which is equal to r divided by 2. So we can use the equation for acceleration due to gravity at a depth d is equal to nothing but g0 into 1 minus d divided by r. So you can write g at a depth d is equal to g0 into 1 minus the value of d is r divided by 2 divided by r. So we can write which is equal to g0 into 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So which we can take it as g0 divided by 2. So the value of weight, we can take it as nothing but mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now at a distance halfway down, the acceleration due to gravity is g0 divided by 2. So we can write this as nothing but mg0 is 200 divided by 2, which is equal to 100.